Hey guys, so to see the individual questions and the progress monitoring, you click reports and then you click the group of students. You'll probably just want to click all students. Click the test that you're interested in seeing the items for. And then as you scroll down, there are a couple different things here. First is the item analysis, and it tells you what percentage of students got each question correct. The most missed question will be down at the bottom of the list. So item 15, only 42% of the students got right. So in order to see the test where it says view test, you can click view on any of the students and everybody's item numbers are the same. So remember that item 15 was the most missed question. So you can just scroll down to item 15 and it'll show you what the problem is and what the answer choices were.